Hello to everyone in St. Mark's. Since school is closed at the moment, I thought you might be interested in learning about some interesting tools that we don't have in school. So take a look at our first tool and let me know what you think. Usually in the classroom, if we want to cut a piece of wood, we use a handsaw like this, a coping saw or a tenon saw. If we want to cut a piece of metal, we usually use a hacksaw. Now these can be tough work, so sometimes there's a simpler option, which is a power tool, and this is called a jigsaw. The reason a jigsaw is so handy for so many things is because it can cut different materials. This saw comes with a selection of blades, one with very small teeth for cutting steel, medium-sized teeth for cutting aluminium, and blades with large teeth for cutting timber. Before I show you how this works, let's go through some of the features on the tool. So this one has an LED light to help see what you're doing. It also has a little safety guard to protect you from the blade. It has different cutting features here if you want to cut fast or slow. It obviously has a cable and a plug to give it power, and an on and off trigger to turn it on and off. Before I show you how this tool works, it's important that we have the correct safety equipment, or PPE, personal protective equipment. So for this tool, I'm going to use some earmuffs to protect my hearing, because it's quite loud, and some glasses to protect my eyes. The way this tool works is by moving the blade up and down very quickly, and the teeth on the blade cut through the material. It's very important that you never put your hands or fingers near the blade because it's very sharp and very dangerous. The jigsaw is designed to cut large pieces of wood, and another great feature about it is it can cut straight lines and curves. So we're going to set up this piece of wood in our vise, make sure it's held securely, and see how it goes. So as you can see, it's a brilliant tool for cutting curves and straight lines in different material. We're going to change the blade now and see how good it is at cutting metal. To quickly recap, a jigsaw is a power tool, not a puzzle. It's used for cutting wood and metal, curves and straight lines. Protective equipment are earmuffs and glasses, and it should never ever be used by a student without the permission or the supervision of a teacher or an adult. I hope you enjoyed this, so keep an eye on the school website for our next video.